Today I'm going to take a set of 3 lanterns that I use on my front porch year-round and take them into the Christmas season. Now what I usually have on them would be fall decorations, spring decorations, Easter, Valentine's Day. I do the whole gamut. But today it's time to put Christmas together. Then we're going to put them on the front porch and look at the glow. So stay tuned, here we go. You got to watch this. Today what we're going to do is take my 3 porch lanterns and we're going to take all of beautiful fall and we're going to take that off and we're going to replace it with Christmas. I've got all different kinds of things that we're going to be putting on them. I will show you a little bit of it here. I've got a couple of varying ribbons, mesh tubing, some different ornaments, different colors that we're going to wire together. We will need pipe cleaners, garland, some Dollar Tree poinsettias, white beads, and then also just some various pics that I have here around the house that I've had used in all my Christmas decor over the years. One thing I do like to do is to wire this so it stands up. It gives me a nice base to be able to attach my bows. Garland type. And all I'm using for that is some floral wire, so that'll keep that up. I'm going to take the dust buster to the inside because it's going to be kind of hard to get all the debris. This candle is permanent, it doesn't come out. It is battery operated as well. So I'm going to pull out this glass. And I use Sprayway. This is from the Dollar Tree, but you can also get it at Walmart, places like that. This works really, really good. There's no ammonia in it, it doesn't streak, and I use a microfiber cloth. So let's get some fresh batteries in here. I'm gathering a little bit of everything that I've brought up from my stash. And I'm gonna just get these cleaned up and prettied. I like to have my things flowing down the side. So I'm going to use, let's just get it all untangled, and we're gonna let that be the background. Let's see how this is gonna look. Get these all wrapped up into each other. Spread out these little white berries. Alrighty, I think we should be okay with that. And we can adjust these as we get our other pieces on here. Let's get some bows made and get these ornaments wired together. I think I'm gonna try to do 3 ornaments. And I'm just gonna use a pipe cleaner to put them all together, and I'm just stringing them through the hole where you would put the hook if you're hanging it on your tree. And I'm going to go ahead and make the bow first, and then I'll play with those because I don't know where they're going to end up landing. And all I'm doing is taking this and going back and forth. And let's see, I've got a 4. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is use a pipe cleaner. So let's make a bow out of this. And this is wired ribbon, which will be helpful. And I'm going to do just a 3 loop like this, and I'm going to leave a long tail. We'll dovetail later. But what I want to do here is, as we go, I'm going to attach the bows together. It looks really nice. Now we're going to use this ribbon. This is going to look pretty cute. I'm going to push my pick in towards the bottom, and I'm going to wrap it. And let's put it on. Start with our second one now. I'm going to hopefully get this glass out this time without a problem. All right, number 2's done. Now number 3 has its own interesting problem. See the candle? It is an actual more of a wax candle. And he has melted to my table outside, and he has melted into the lantern. So not quite sure how we're going to get him out, but we'll get it done. I am not getting that clean. Look at all the wax in there. But I am. Wow. I'm still going to be able to use the candle. I'll get some fresh batteries for that. By the looks of it, the wax, there's so much of it down on the bottom, I'm not going to be able to take the glass out. So we're going to have to do the best that we can to clean this up inside. Alrighty, let's get some fresh batteries in here. And this just cracks me up that it still works. There's the last one. So we are done for today, and I will show you what these look like on my porch when they're lit at night. I'm really pleased with them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for a lot more.
zip tie it, pull your loop up.